Hi guys, so today we'll be unboxing Pure Daily Care NanoSteamer 3-in-1 Ionic Facial Steamer, Towel Warmer and Humidifier. So this is it, so excited. It says that it has a free extraction 5-piece set, so let us see. So in the box we have like a measuring cup for the water. It has so this is the steamer itself. It's quite big. I thought it would be smaller, but nevertheless, yes, it has some warning signs to use distilled water only, so no mineral water or tap water, because it can cause scale deposit and we don't want that. So if we use those type of water, it can cause the product to malfunction. So at the back we have this to fill the water in, I'd assume. Yes, you screw this up, fill the water in. What else is in it? So you got the user manual and the readme first. So the disclaimer for safety to guide us, and if there's any support, and also some skincare tips and tricks. And now that's the only thing there. And then now for our free bonus extraction 5-piece kit. So it looks pretty sturdy and I can't wait to try this product. So bye, stay tuned for our next unboxing very soon. Take care.